What if you could make money in your sleep without lifting a finger? Imagine waking up to sales notifications, all thanks to emails that practically write themselves. That's the power of AI. And in this episode of the AI CEO series, I'm breaking down exactly how I use ChatGPT to build a hands-free income stream. I decided to let ChatGPT write my entire email funnel, from the welcome email to the final offer. And the craziest part, it actually worked. These AI-powered emails started generating real sales, all while I was off doing other things. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact prompts I used, the tools I used to automate the entire process, and the incredible results I achieved. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this is how you leverage AI to boost your income and free up your time. Everyone's talking about social media these days, and yeah, it's important. But email is where the real money is made online. It's direct access to your most engaged customers. Studies show that email marketing generates an average of $36 for every $1 spent. That's an insane return on investment. So, I took the plunge and let ChatGPT automate my email funnel. And you know what? ChatGPT absolutely crushed it. These AI-powered emails didn't just sound good, they converted like crazy. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what exactly did you tell ChatGPT to write? Great question. Here's the exact prompt I used. Act like a top email copywriter. Write a 5-part email sequence to sell a digital product that helps people earn passive income with AI. That's it. Within seconds, it generated a complete 5-part email sequence, including a welcome email, value email, story plus transformation email, offer with urgency email, and final reminder plus bonus CTA email. Now, while ChatGPT did an amazing job creating the initial email sequence, I knew I had to put my own spin on it. I wanted these emails to sound like calm, trustworthy, and straightforward. So I gave ChatGPT some more instructions. I told it, make these emails sound like me, calm, trustworthy, clear. Avoid any hype or exaggerated claims. Focus on the benefits my product offers. And just like that, ChatGPT rewrote the entire sequence, perfectly capturing my brand voice and tone. It even came up with some really clever subject lines that were designed to pique my audience's curiosity. For example, instead of a generic subject line like "Welcome to my email list," it came up with the AI trick that saved me 10 hours. And for the value email, it suggested 3 ways I make passive income with AI instead of something boring like "Learn about passive income." These small tweaks made a huge difference in making the emails sound more personal and engaging. Automating with Systemy.io. With my AI-powered email sequence ready to go, it was time to automate the entire process. And for that, I turned to my favorite tool, Systemy.io. Systemy.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that makes it incredibly easy to build sales funnels, send email sequences, and automate your entire business. Plus, it has a free plan that's perfect for getting started. I uploaded each email from my ChatGPT-generated sequence into Systemy.io and set up the following automation. Email 1, the welcome email, is sent immediately after someone subscribes to my email list through my lead magnet. Email 2, the value email, is sent 1 day after the welcome email. Email 3, the story and transformation email, is sent 2 days after the welcome email. Email 4, the offer with urgency email, is sent 3 days after the welcome email. And finally, email 5, the final reminder with a bonus call to action, is sent on day 5 as the final reminder. And just like that, my entire email funnel was automated. Now, whenever someone subscribes to my list, they automatically receive this carefully crafted sequence of AI-powered emails designed to nurture them into paying customers. Creating a lead magnet with ChatGPT. Now, to get people onto my email list in the first place, I needed a compelling lead magnet. A lead magnet is a valuable freebie that you offer in exchange for someone's email address. So I went back to my trusty AI assistant and asked ChatGPT, give me 3 high-value lead magnet ideas for selling my AI digital product, and once again, ChatGPT delivered. Here are the ideas it came up with. 1. A PDF guide titled 5 ChatGPT prompts to start an online business. 2. A checklist named AI tools for building a side hustle. And 3. A quiz called What AI business should you start? I decided to go with the PDF guide because it was something I could create quickly and easily using Canva. Within a couple of hours, I had a professional-looking PDF that was packed with valuable information about using ChatGPT to start an online business. I then uploaded the PDF to System.io and linked it to my email opt-in form. Now, whenever someone wants to download my free guide, they have to enter their email address, which automatically adds them to my email list and triggers the AI-powered email sequence. Driving traffic to the funnel. With my funnel set up and my lead magnet ready to go, it was time to start driving traffic to my opt-in page. And for that, I used the same AI-powered content strategy that I shared in episode 3 of this series. I focused on creating short-form videos for platforms like Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. These videos were designed to be engaging, informative, and share valuable tips related to AI and passive income. At the end of each video, I included a soft call to action, encouraging viewers to download my free guide by clicking the link in my bio. This simple call to action was all it took to start sending a steady stream of traffic to my opt-in page. And because I had my AI-powered email funnel set up, every single person who downloaded my lead magnet was automatically entered into my sales funnel and nurtured with a series of persuasive emails. After just 7 days of implementing this AI-powered email strategy, I was blown away by the results. Remember, I didn't write a single email manually during this entire process. Here's what happened. 62 new email subscribers. My short-form video strategy was working. People were loving the content and eager to learn more. 7 digital product sales. My AI-powered email sequence was converting like crazy. People were reading the emails, clicking on my links, and buying my product. $81 earned automatically. That's right, I made money while I was sleeping. My automated email funnel was working its magic 24/7. These results were incredible, and it just goes to show the power of AI when it comes to automating your business and generating passive income. Overall, I was thrilled with the performance of my AI-powered email funnel. But of course, there's always room for improvement. Here are a few things I learned along the way and how I plan to optimize my funnel for even better results. What worked? Welcome email open rate. My welcome email had an impressive 82% open rate, which means people were genuinely interested in what I had to say. CTA-driven emails. The emails that focused on clear calls to action and highlighted the benefits of my product saw the highest engagement and click-through rates. What I'd improve: add testimonials or social proof. Including testimonials from satisfied customers or social proof from my audience would add credibility and increase conversions. Include a video message in the first email. Adding a personal video message in the welcome email would help build a stronger connection with my new subscribers. Add a countdown timer in the final offer email. Creating a sense of urgency with a countdown timer could encourage more people to take action before the offer expires. By implementing these improvements, I'm confident that I can take my AI-powered email funnel to the next level and generate even more passive income. As you can see, AI isn't just about creating cool content. It's a powerful tool that can help you build real income streams and automate your business. With just ChatGPT and System.io, I was able to create a complete sales funnel that captures leads, nurtures them with persuasive emails, and generates sales, all on autopilot. Imagine what you could achieve if you had an army of AI assistants working for you 24/7. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, I want to give you everything you need to replicate my success. In the description below, you'll find a link to download my AI email money funnel blueprint. This blueprint includes all the exact prompts I used my email sequence template and step-by-step instructions for setting up your own AI-powered funnel. And make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell, because in the final episode of the AI CEO series, I'm revealing how I asked ChatGPT to build me an entire business, and the result will absolutely blow your mind. So, as you can see, using AI to automate your business can be incredibly powerful. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to do it. With tools like ChatGPT and System.io, anyone can implement these strategies and start seeing results. So, take action, put in the work, and watch as your business grows on autopilot. And don't forget to download the AI Email Money Funnel Blueprint in the description below to get started today. I'll see you in the next video.